Hi everyone! If you're new to a dental office, scheduling your first appointment can feel a bit intimidating. Today, I'll walk you through exactly what to say when you call, how to introduce yourself, and how to clarify your dental insurance. Let's get started. Before you call, have some key info ready. You'll want your full name and date of birth, your contact info, your dental insurance card if you have one, and a list of any dental concerns or questions you want to bring up. Just jot those down. It'll help you feel way more confident. Now let's pretend I'm calling the dental office. The receptionist answers, "Thank you for calling. Dental office name. How can I help you?" I'd say, "Hi, my name is your name. I'm a new patient and I'd like to schedule a dental appointment." The receptionist will probably ask, "Can I get your full name and date of birth?" I'd reply, "Sure, my name is your name, and my date of birth is MM/DD/YYY. Then they'll ask about insurance. I'd say, "Yes, I have insurance company name. Would you like my member ID number?" And if you don't have insurance, just say, "No, I don't have dental insurance. Can you tell me about your payment options?" Don't forget to ask if your specific insurance is accepted. I'd ask, "Can you confirm if you accept insurance company name? And is there any other information you need from my insurance card?" When it's time to pick a date, the receptionist will offer some options. Once you agree, ask, "Is there anything I should bring to my first appointment?" Usually, you'll need your insurance card, a photo ID, and to arrive 15 minutes early to fill out paperwork. Just thank them and let them know you're looking forward to your appointment. And that's it. Scheduling your first dental appointment is easy when you know what to say. Just have your info ready, clarify your insurance, and ask any questions you have. Good luck, and take care of your smile.